Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kavita Roju, the simple and healthy kitchen. Please share my channel and subscribe my channel. Press bell icon. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you friends. Thanks a lot. Today's motivational topic is don't waste your potential on unnecessary thing. Use your potential to perfect place and perfect situation. And some people are don't use their potential. They have good talent, they have unique personality, unique qualities, but they don't use potential to develop themselves or improve their life. They enjoy and they waste their time, and sometimes they don't want to do anything. After sometimes they feel bad for themselves. They are not utilized their qualities. So don't waste. The God has given everyone some good qualities and unique qualities, talents. So use your potential to in your perfect way and perfect place and profession. Otherwise you fade away in your life. No one knows about you and your qualities and talents, and you are doing self sabotage because of these laziness and postponingness and procrastination. Sometimes you will get some good opportunities, so you are not using your potential in that way, so that opportunities let pass by in front of yourself. So please use your potential and move forward to your life and develop yourself. Thank you.